Yin yoga is a profoundly meditative and introspective style of yoga that emphasizes stillness, surrender, and inner awareness. Rooted in the principles of traditional Chinese medicine and Taoist philosophy, Yin yoga targets the body's deep connective tissues, ligaments, fascia, joints, and bones, rather than focusing on muscles, as in more dynamic forms of yoga. In a typical Yin yoga session, postures, asana, are held passively for 3 to 10 minutes or even longer. These prolonged holds allow the body to gently stress the connective tissues in a safe way, encouraging deep release, improved flexibility, and enhanced circulation in the joints. Most of the postures are seated or reclining, with the support of props when needed, making it accessible to practitioners of all ages and levels. Beyond its physical benefits, Yin yoga is a gateway to the inner landscape of the mind. The stillness of the practice encourages mindfulness, emotional clarity, and meditative awareness. As students remain in each posture for extended periods, they are invited to observe their thoughts, sensations, and feelings without judgment, cultivating a deep sense of acceptance and presence. Energetically, Yin yoga works with the meridian lines, energy channels, of the body, similar to acupuncture. By stimulating these channels, Yin yoga helps to balance the flow of Qi, life force energy, supporting the body's natural healing processes and promoting a sense of harmony and vitality. In today's fast-paced, yang-dominated world, Yin yoga serves as a necessary counterbalance, offering rest, regeneration, and reconnection to the self. At TDW Yoga Kendra, our Yin yoga sessions are crafted to help you slow down, release tension, and dive inward, creating space for healing and self-discovery. Yin yoga, the quiet power of stillness. Yin yoga is more than a physical practice, it is a transformational inner journey. Rooted in the ancient wisdom of Taoist philosophy, it emphasizes harmony, receptivity, and balance by focusing on what lies beneath the surface of both body and mind. Unlike more dynamic yang styles of yoga such as Vinyasa or Ashtanga, which focus on building heat and muscular strength, Yin yoga takes you deep into the subtle body, where profound release and healing can occur. The essence of Yin. The term Yin comes from the Taoist concept of Yin and Yang, opposing but complementary forces that exist in all aspects of life. Yang is active, muscular, heating, and outward moving. Yin, on the other hand, is passive, cooling, still, and inward focused. In a world dominated by constant motion, performance, and productivity, Yin yoga is a radical act of slowing down, allowing the body and mind to rest deeply. The physical practice Yin yoga primarily works on the connective tissues of the body, fascia, ligaments, tendons, and joint capsules. These tissues respond best to gentle, consistent pressure held over time. Postures are typically held for 3 to 10 minutes, allowing the body to gradually open and the tissues to lengthen and strengthen.